Grow fresh herbs and veggies indoors with hydroponics. Tired of store-bought herbs that lack flavor? Want to grow your own food but don't have the space? Let's explore how you can bring the garden indoors. Imagine fresh herbs and veggies at your fingertips all year round. The URUQ 12-pod indoor garden makes it easy, even if you're a complete beginner. This system brings the ease of hydroponics right into your home. This indoor gardening kit comes with everything you need to get started. It features a full-spectrum LED grow light, a quiet water pump, and adjustable height settings. Get ready to enjoy fresh produce faster than ever before. Let's dive into what makes this hydroponic system so special. It's designed for simplicity and efficiency, perfect for urban dwellers and health enthusiasts. Get ready to be amazed. The URUQ system boasts a 24W LED grow light that mimics natural sunlight. This promotes rapid photosynthesis, leading to faster and healthier plant growth. Plus, the automatic timer ensures your plants get the perfect amount of light. Say goodbye to noisy gardening equipment. The built-in water pump operates at less than 20 dB. It quietly circulates water every 30 minutes, providing essential oxygen and nutrients to the roots. As your plants grow, the system adapts. The adjustable grow light can reach up to 21 inches in height. The lamp board also rotates 180 degrees, ensuring all your plants receive optimal light coverage. This system offers 3 distinct modes for different plants. Veggie mode enhances blue light for leafy greens. Herbs mode boosts UV light for stronger flavors. Fruits mode increases red light for flowering and fruit production. Forget constant refills. The 6.5L water tank reduces the frequency of watering. The handy water level indicator lets you know exactly when it's time to add more. Traditional gardening requires soil, sunlight, and constant watering. Hydroponics simplifies this by using nutrient-rich water. You'll see growth up to 5x faster. Let's weigh the benefits and drawbacks to see if the system fits your needs. Consider your space, gardening goals, and commitment level. Pros: faster growth, up to 5x faster than soil. Adjustable height and lighting angles. Ultra-quiet pump with automatic operation. Large 6.5L water tank with low water indicator. 3 different light modes for various plants. Cons: limited to 12 pods, not ideal for large plants like tomatoes or peppers. Requires regular water and nutrient top-ups. Customers rave about the URUQ system's ease of use and rapid growth. Many appreciate the value for money and the bright LED light. Some users have noted issues with the pump, but customer service seems responsive. One user on Amazon shared tips for hydroponic success, emphasizing the importance of pH balance and nutrient solutions. Check out the reviews on the product page for more insights. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, low-maintenance hydroponic system, the URUQ 12-pod indoor garden is an excellent choice. It's perfect for growing herbs, veggies, and flowers indoors year-round. Don't wait any longer to enjoy fresh, homegrown produce. Click the link in the description to check out the URUQ Hydroponics Growing System on Amazon. Start your indoor gardening journey today.